Alright, so happy Friday. Welcome to another video. And this one is going to be when you have something like this, f of a number. Okay? So, yeah, I'm trying to be crazy. You don't know how to do this, but that's what this video is about. It tells you f of a number, and it says this, f of x. Okay? Look at them both. Okay? What do you notice that's the same? They both have f. Okay? Then they both have parentheses. Alright? The only difference is that this one is x and this one's -8. In this problem, it gives you 6 parentheses 1 minus 6. So it has the x this time. When you have a -8 in place of the x, that's what you're going to do here. You're going to, every x, you're going to, in place of it, you're going to put a -8 because that's what it tells you to do. See, they're almost the exact same thing. The only thing they change is this x now becomes an 8. So instead of putting an x, you put an 8. So that would be 6 parentheses 1 minus, in place of this x, you put a -8. Okay, I know this is minus because it's not the first number. Only the first numbers have negative. After the first number, they're minus. Okay, the sign is negative, but it's minus. Okay, so I'm going to put that in my calculator. New document, add a calculator. I'm going to type it in. Only this part though. So 6 parentheses, maybe too zoomed in, 1 minus parentheses, -8. Okay, press enter. Looks just the same, making sure. That is my f. That is the y value, okay? My x value is -8, so this equals to 54. That's all you have to do. So now you're going to do a little bit of practice in your workbook. So this is in the workbook for your countdown. And you're going to go to page 3, please. I'm going to give you the equation, and you're going to practice with these values. Alright? So let's just say your equation is y equals 4, 2 minus 3x. Okay? I probably shouldn't put y equals. I should probably put f of x equals. Okay, you're going to do the same for these values, and you're going to do the same thing for this one. And we're going to say this one is x squared minus 3x. Okay, so these are your x values. In place of every x, you put this number. Alright, so I'm going to do one of these with you. We'll do this one together. Okay, so f of x equals x squared minus 3x. So this is my x because it's inside the parentheses. So instead of putting an x, I put 5 because they give me 5. Okay. In place of the x, I put 5 squared minus 3 parentheses the 5. Okay. In place of every x, I put a 5. Alright, just put that in the calculator. Only this part after the equal sign. So parentheses 5, close out of that, squared minus 3 parentheses 5. So that is my f of -5. I mean f of 5, positive 5 is 10. That's all you're doing. Try it now on your own. And by the way, today is Good Friday, so happy Easter.